We've been hearing about Bitcoin for quite some time now, but is it the new gold? Buying gold has always been seen as a safer commodity in a time of volatility, but now the cryptocurrency surging, many are finding more value in the likes of Bitcoin. eNCA's Heidi Giokos takes a deeper look.
When I think of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, I think of a dark hole with gold coins stacked in it. But of course, it's way more than that. If you look at South Africa alone, in just over a month, interest and investment in Bitcoin has risen by almost 24%. Multi-billion-dollar companies have taken a decision to rather have Bitcoin on their balance sheets than dollars. Experts believe this could be part of the reason there's an uptick in crypto recently.
Of course, there's loads of interest from South Africans. There's a lot of adoption in South Africa, and that's only the exchange side of things. So that's sort of the very publicly known trading that's taking place. There's obviously a lot of, as they call it, over-the-counter, which means trading between private parties that takes place as well. So, I mean, there's certainly adoption happening in South Africa. There's adoption happening in Africa.
But with every investment, there's risk, like very little regulation by central banks.
The first key risk is obviously because the entire system is internet-based, there's a huge responsibility on the owner of Bitcoin to keep their assets safe. In other words, it has to be password protected. There is significant risk around that in itself. And obviously there's a huge number of people that are looking to break into Bitcoin vaults and steal Bitcoin.
The total global value of cryptocurrency is $1.4 trillion. To put that number into perspective, it's 5 to 6 times the size of the South African economy. With the global value of Bitcoin increasing, what are the chances of cryptocurrency becoming the future of money?
If you're looking at the monetary stimulus that's taking place, all the money that's being printed around the world to sort of help the coronavirus-stricken economies, I mean, there's no better narrative that you could really have for an asset that can't be printed, such as Bitcoin. People are kind of going, well, money's going to devalue. And I mean, ultimately, when you look at inflation over a very long period of time, inflation's your money becoming worth less, right? There's, real world goods are not becoming more.
So whether or not Bitcoin has become the new gold or the future of money, that's not clear. What is clear is that Bitcoin is gaining traction. Despite its volatility, many still opt to invest. Heidi Giokos, Johannesburg.